This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Phone or Contacts app and locating the contact whose call photo you want removed. Tap Edit or the three-dot menu to access that contact's details. This is where the photo option lives. You do this because the call image is tied to the contact entry, not the call log. Once in edit mode, tap the photo thumbnail or the camera icon to reveal remove or change options and prepare to delete the assigned image. Next, choose the remove or delete photo action from the contact edit screen. If your device lists replace, select remove or choose default to clear it. You do this because clearing the contact photo updates what appears during incoming calls. If the system requires a replacement, pick a neutral image or the app's default avatar. After changing, make sure to tap Save so the contact record updates across sync services. Once saved, test by calling the contact to verify the image is gone. Finally, if the photo still appears, force a contact sync or restart your device to refresh cached data. This often resolves lingering images. You may need to clear the Phone or Contacts app cache or check linked accounts like Google or iCloud because the photo can come from a sync source. If that fails, open your Web Contacts Manager, Google Contacts, or iCloud and remove the image there. Once done, sync again. If problems continue, sign out and back into the account to force a full refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.